The 2026 BMW 3 Series continues to be a top choice in the compact luxury sedan category, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. What's new for 2026? BMW has left the 7th generation 3 Series largely unchanged for 2026, as it prepares to introduce the 8th generation next year. This means the 2026 model carries over the same design and features from the previous year. The 2026 3 Series offers two potent engine options. 330i, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower. M340i, a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine delivering 386 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and are available with rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configurations. These powertrains provide a balance of performance and efficiency, with EPA estimated combined fuel economy ranging from 29 to 31 miles per gallon. Inside, the 2026 3 Series offers a spacious and upscale cabin with seating for 5. The standard 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system is complemented by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, providing a modern and intuitive interface. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Standard on all 2026 3 Series models is BMW's suite of driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. Higher trims offer additional features such as adaptive cruise control and a head-up display. The price of the 2026 BMW 3 Series starts at $48,675 and goes up to $64,875, depending on the trim and options. If you're seeking a compact luxury sedan that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology, the 2026 BMW 3 Series is a compelling choice. While the model remains largely unchanged from the previous year, it continues to deliver a driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're always in the front seat. See you in the next ride.